Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking to add some style and color to your next outfit, check out these amazing flats by HIULYCENCE. They're made with such high quality that they're both stylish and comfortable, which is hard to find in most shoes, right? The heel is padded, so they're perfect for everyday use, either work, traveling, or school. And they have such a cute girly touch with the pointed toe and bow design that I know you all love as much as I do. They also run true to size, which I really appreciate. They're great for any season, even though they're not open toed shoe, they're made from a breathable material that makes them perfect for hot days too. So if you're trying to dress up any outfit with these shoes, you will totally accomplish it. And they come in a bunch of cute colors that I know you'll love just as much as I do. I highly recommend them. And that's my point of view.